Hey guys, this is the Transformer Gundam, and welcome to whatever this video is. I don't really know what to call it. I'll probably just call this a TFG haul video, but I decided to go out today, and I actually went out to get my oil change, which that's not important, but I also decided to make a stop to Hobby Lobby to pick up some primer, and since there was also a Target down the street, I decided to also check out Target.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Our first priority is to help with you, your families, and our team members. Due to local
And as you can see, I picked up some things. So yeah, this will just be a quick little unboxing and kind of going through what I got. So I'm gonna save the Target bag for last, and let's start out what I got from Hobby Lobby. First off, let's get the board thing out of the way. I got some primer, which is awesome because I don't have any primer. Well, I mean, I do now, but yeah, I need some primer to start on my project. And now that I finally have some, I can start painting. So yeah, expect painting coming soon. Maybe. But yeah, this is just some Cryoline primer. I've worked with it in the past. It's not bad, and especially for how much you're paying. For $7, you get a pretty nice can, and it lasts a while. So yeah, it's not a bad deal there. And then because they're having a 40% off sale on all kits, I decided to just pick up a little SD for fun. Yeah, I've worked on these kits before in the past, and these SDs are a lot of fun to build. So yeah, for 40% off, I can't really go wrong. So yeah, this retail price is about $12. I ended up paying $7. So yeah, not bad at all. And this is a pretty cool looking kit. This is the Yun Yu Strike Noir. I probably said that wrong, but yeah, there you go. So might as well just do a quick unboxing of this. So here's the side of the box. It's number 25, and the SD Gundam World Sangoku Sokitsuden series. Here's the side. Has a front shot, a back shot, the little sight memory thing, which I never really understood that. And it looks like this has some cool, like, clear red parts. I'm excited to get into this. Here's the other side. Here's the last side. There's a little thing you can scan here. Don't really know what it is, but if you want, you can scan that. And yeah, so let's quickly open this up and let's see what we're working with here. So let's just cut the tape on the side. Oh, dang it. Oh no, I didn't want to ruin the box, but whatever. Probably not going to keep this box anyway, so got that and cut that. All right, so let's take a quick look inside here and see what we are working with. So, okay, wow. That's actually not terrible for stickers. I was expecting it to be way worse than that. So, yeah, that's not actually too bad for stickers. I'm pleasantly surprised there. So we get some black, some of that ugly yellow gold color. And it looks like you get some, it's like cool translucent black here. That's actually really cool looking. So all these parts here. Yeah, and next, ooh, oh, these look sick. Look, get all these clear red parts as well, and we get some gray joint parts and just like the limbs here. And yeah, wow, this kit is actually looking a lot cooler than what I was originally expecting when I bought it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to build this. So here's instruction manual. Let's quickly go through this. Go through the parts count here. So we got runners A through G. And then the instructions, pretty simple. And it looks like it has some English as well, so that's nice. Tells you. So in case this is like your first time building a model kit, it kind of shows you that A is the sprue that you're looking for, and then number 13 is the part number. So that's really cool. It kind of takes you step by step on how to find the part you need. So yeah, tells you the sprue part as A, then look for the number 13, and then you just, well, here it's just telling you to use your fingers to remove the part, but of course I recommend using snippers and hobby knife to do that. But yeah, that's actually really cool, and I've never noticed that before. I didn't know if that was on the other SD kit that I built, but yeah, this is nice. The instructions is nice and clear. Here it shows you how to build the head, then it goes through the body, goes to the right arm assembly, right leg assembly, left leg assembly, and then left arm assembly. Then it just shows you how to put it all together in the middle. And then on the next page here, it goes through how to build the wings and just some of the cool things you can do with some of the clear effect parts. And then we get a nice clear shot of the kit fully built. And it's saying that it is compatible with a action-based 5, and it has a nice little comic here in Japanese. So unfortunately I can't read that anyways, but if you can read Japanese, yeah, it looks pretty cool. I love that art style. And there's just another QR code you can scan. And then just more of the comic on the back here. Huh. Wait, it does have English here. But does it have... Oh, it does have English. I never noticed that. It actually has English translation, so you can read it. Huh, that's actually really cool. I never noticed that. So yeah, this looks sick. And again, this artwork is so cool. Sengoku Sokisuden special comic. There you go. So yeah, this kit, it actually is looking pretty sick. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a lot more excited to build this than I initially thought I was going to be when I picked this up. So if you want me to do a build video, I definitely can, and it probably won't take long to build either. So yeah, there is a look at this nice little kit here. And as I said, if you want me to do a build video, let me know in the comments. I might just do it anyways, just for fun, just because yeah, this kit looks pretty cool. So now let's talk about what I got from Target, and it's a big box here. And yeah, as I said, I originally just went to get primer, and I had to get this. Oh yes, there we go. As you can see, this is the Transformers the movie studio series Grimlock and Autobot Wheelie. And this is actually my first studio series, so I'm really excited to have this in my collection. I've always wanted to have a Grimlock, and the Masterpiece was way too expensive, and the Power to Prime's Grimlock honestly didn't look that great. But man, this looks so good, and I'm so excited to get into this. And yeah, this box is too big for my current setup here, so this will be interesting. So anyways, this is number 86 in the studio series line, and this is number 6 in Transformers the movie line, I think anyways. But yeah, studio series Grimlock and Autobot Wheelie is A+. Got the Transformers logo there, Generations, Takara Tomy, and Hasbro. And let's see, how am I gonna do this? Take a look here at the side. Oh god, okay. Here we go. So you can see the artwork on the side here, looking very nice, of Wheelie writing on Grimlock, of course, and just a studio series number 86. Taking a look at the back, get some product shots of Grimlock and the Dino mode and the robot mode, and then Wheelie, of course, writing on Grimlock, and it says it transforms in 24 steps. And here it says the typical big screen inspired scale detail backdrop. Yeah, so there you go. And if you're wondering what the top looks like, it just says, there you go, Transformers the movie. Because, of course, this figure comes from the 1986 movie. And anything interesting on the bottom? No. Okay. Let's try to crack this open here on camera right now. So, where did I put my hobby knife? Let me just go grab that real fast. Alright, got my hobby knife, so let's see if we can crack this open on camera real fast and just kind of show you the contents of this box. So just cut the top off and lift this here, and let's pull out the figure. There we go. Alright. So we got the figure here. Let's just put this aside and we'll take out the backdrop really fast. So here's a look at the backdrop, and let's see, we got instructions here, and just don't really know what this paper is, but it's probably just important stuff on there. And so yeah, here's a look at the backdrop here. It's looking very cool. I honestly don't know what this is supposed to be. Maybe this is where the Dinobots were being held, and you can pull this out if you want. It's just a Studio Series 86 on the sides there, but let's just keep this like this for now. So yeah, here's a look at the backdrop. It's actually really nice, and this cardstock is a nice thick material. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. So yeah, that's really cool. And putting this aside, let's take a look at Grimlock. Oh my god, this figure is a lot bigger than what I was expecting. And oh man, okay, this looks good. So interesting packaging here. I'm gonna have to go grab my knife again, and let's see if I can carefully cut this out here. Okay, got that one out of the way. Let's see, get that. Okay, cut this and cut that, and does this just, is there anything on the back? Let's see if I can pull him out now. Okay, I see. There's another thing here to cut. This is actually really nice. There's like a little bubble plastic thing here to protect the gold on the chest. So that's pretty nice packaging there. So let me see if I can get under this to cut. Yeah, there we go. All right. And now let's free King of the Autobots, Grimlock. Oh wow. All right. Put him to the side, and let's take out Wheelie next. Now I know a lot of people were disappointed by this Wheelie figure because he does not transform. But I mean, I don't think he's bad. I mean, looks very accurate to all he does in the movie, and you know, if he did transform, it'd probably be harder for him to actually ride Grimlock and him look natural doing it. So here's a look at Wheelie. Has, you know, some simple joints here. This is a ball joint here for the arms, and for the legs, just on ball joints. There's some hollow bits there, but for the most part, not a bad looking figure at all. And he has this little slingshot. The paint is looking pretty good for the most part. I see it's a little bit of paint flaws, which I didn't notice when I was at Target looking at these figures, but oh well, not bad looking. So we'll put him aside, and we will take out the final part of this figure, which is dropping the knife. No, the gun. So let's see if I can just get this. Okay. And come on, just pull this baby out. Come on. Come on. Don't you just love the power of editing sometimes? But I'm not going to edit this, so you have to struggle along with me here as I try to get the gun out. Okay, there we go. And we have the gun free. Alright, so we have everything out here. So here's a look at his gun. It's looking really nice. And there's no hollow parts either, so that's actually really cool. It's a nice, big, chunky, solid gun. And yeah. So here is Studio Series later class Grimlock. And wheelie, how does this work? Can you just peg them on to the shoulders? Assuming he just pegs in. Oh man, that is a really tight fit. Come on. There we go. So yeah, now he's just on Grimlock's shoulder there. And I don't really know how this works. Where's his hands? Does this fold up, and you just put this in his hand? Let's see. Oh, wow, that is a tight joint there. Oh, all right. Whew, nice. Get this in a bit of a pose here, maybe wheelie. Turn his head. Oh no, he fell off. Whatever. He'll just stand here. Look, nice. So there you go. Here is a look at Grimlock and Wheelie. I'm really excited to learn more about the transformation and all the good stuff that this figure can do. And then of course, I will do a review of this. I still need to review Kingdom Optimus Prime, so I don't know if I will put that review out first or this one. But both of the reviews should be coming out soon. I'm really excited to get into this guy. And yeah. So anyways, that's about it for this random video, I guess haul video, if you will. Just showing off some of the stuff I got today. Usually I don't splurge like this, but I decided since I get a little bit of a break from my school, since I'm on spring break, and for some reason my college decided to give me a whole week off, and most colleges only giving people like a few days. I get a whole week off, which, I mean, hey, I'm not really complaining. So yeah, expect more reviews coming soon, at least for this week, and stay tuned for a lot more coming. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. This is Transformer Gundam signing out. Oh, one more thing I forgot to do. I need to shamelessly plug my Discord. So don't forget to join my Discord. There is a link to it in the description. And don't forget, I still have the Discord community build-off going on right now. We need more people to enter in. So if you are interested in entering, join the Discord, and there will be more details there. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.